Hello, my wonderful subscribers and first timers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher on Hamster Kombat. Today is 25th June 2024. So we'll be claiming the daily cipher for today. So the first thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. When you click on it, it will change to this, and then let's go ahead to claim the 1 million daily cipher coin. So the Morse code for today is FOMO. That's FOMO. So the first letter is F. To get this F, you do one short tap, another short tap, one long tap, and then the last short tap. That's one short tap, second short tap, one long tap, and the last short tap. For the O, you do three long taps, one long tap, the second one, and the third one. Three long taps for the O. For the M, you do two long taps, first one and the second one. Then for this last O, you repeat the same thing. That's three long taps, one, two, and three for the last O. So that's it. The code has been cracked. So let's go ahead to claim it. So this is how you claim your 1 million daily cipher coin on Hamster Kombat. Remember, today's date is 25th June 2024. Go ahead to claim yours, guys. Thanks for watching. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification so that you won't miss out on other updates. Thanks for watching, guys.